Good morning guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto G54 and let me show you how to block a number on this device. At first open your phone the other, then click on more icon and select settings. Here go to block numbers and you can either block all unknown colors. If you want to block them all, just use this switcher, and when you want to add some particular number to your blacklist, just click on add a number and provide it manually by yourself right here. Click on block and that's it. As you can see, from now on it is on your blacklist and this number will not be able to reach you anyhow. Whenever you want to remove some number from blacklist, tap on cross icon and click on unblock. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.